This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. Boiling Springs Find. 3-bedroom 1-bath brick ranch home with a beautiful pond on approximately 2.47 acres. In the city limits but feels like country living. Home is built with an open floor plan and has neutral colors throughout. It has an inside laundry room. Home has a covered front porch, a rear deck and an attached single carport with attached storage room. A little TLC would make this a wonderful home. Being sold cash or conventional only. Estate owned, being sold as is where is seller to make no repairs. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.